Hey everyone, what is going on? Joey Contino here, and today I got a mini vlog for you. We're currently outside Elaine's because it is time for their Cape May Shelter's Lutsk, Ukraine benefit. Essentially, there is a shelter inside of Lutsk, and obviously, you know, with the war going on, they need a bunch of stuff, and so for the past few years, they've been putting together a fundraiser where they do all this stuff here, all this stuff. You can buy things, it becomes donations, it goes to the organization in Lutsk. They have a Ukrainian band. This year they have a Ukrainian chef coming by from Vertex in New York City, which is kind of cool. And so I figured I'm going to share it with you guys today. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. Special thank you to my patrons on patreon.com, because then we can do videos like this. If you want to support the channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's get started because it's about to storm soon. As a reminder, we have our Wildwood Video Archive meet and greet on Sunday, August 25th at the Do Up Museum Experience across the street from the Wildwoods Convention Center. You can come meet me, take pictures, you can buy some of our merchandise, which this is the first time you can buy our stuff in person and not pay that shipping fee. So hopefully we'll see you guys there. We'll be there from noon to about 2 to 2:30. So see you guys there. This video is sponsored by Cluster's Handcrafted Popcorn of Wildwood. Fresh gourmet popcorn made daily in mouth-watering flavors like white cheddar, toasted coconut, and garlic parmesan. Visit Clusters on the Wildwood Boardwalk between Wildwood and Oak Avenue, or at clusterspopcornwildwood.com for a delightful Clusters experience. This right here is where you can go ahead and purchase some of the things. I've got hoodies and t-shirts. I'll show you around in a quick second. But this is going to be here at least for today until 6 p.m. And the organization, by the way, you can always donate year-round. It's just one time a year where they actually have it in front of Elaine's. And they have Ukrainian cutting boards and t-shirts and hoodies and sunflowers and things like that. So you have a lot of different stuff you can buy, from cutting boards and a lot of handmade stuff, wine from Bakhmut, sweaters and teddy bears and sunflowers and shirts and hoodies. Julia's going to show us the champagne from Bakhmut. Okay, you can actually see right here, Ukraine's. Let's say Unbreakable Bubbly. That's actually really, really cute.
2015.
2015. Rose, it didn't zoom in yet. One second. There we go. Pretty neat. Well, they have a lot of stuff going on here. You can buy stuff. There's more stuff out front you can buy. They get Ukrainian flags. You get Ukrainian drinks and things like that. Over at Rotary Park, which is right across the street, they have a Ukrainian band. I believe it's called Vertex. I haven't heard them before. We've heard of other Ukrainian bands before. But over there, you can get everything from varenyky, which is essentially pierogies. And you can hear latkes and a couple other things. So we're going to make our way over there. The band starts at 4, which is in like 35 minutes. I'm hoping we'll be able to hear them perform a little bit before the storm kind of rolls through. And I just want to say one quick disclaimer. We are actually going back to Ukraine. We'll be going in a few weeks from this video. We'll be there for about a week and a half. And so we go that way. And so the organization they're actually working with is one that we could potentially stop by if we're in there. If you want to join and at least follow along the stuff that's going on in Ukraine, on my TikTok channel, I have a whole thing. We got like 342,000 followers. Right, 342,000 followers on there with update reports about Ukraine. And of course, while we're in Ukraine, I'll be doing reports. So that being said, let's continue. And I apologize now about the audio. The wind picked up now. I didn't bring my other microphones, but the band's getting ready to perform. We're gonna make our way in. Hopefully the rain can hold off for a little bit, which is like building right above us. This is Rotary Park. And you can see the band is setting up. They get some Ukrainian flags. They've got more things you can purchase. And it looks like on the right-hand side is where they're going to have varenyky. And there's something interesting that many people don't realize. Obviously, Ukraine's now been independent for 33 years. And there's a pretty big Ukrainian community in Philadelphia. And so every year since Ukraine's independence, on the beaches in Wildwood Crest, they have a major get-together. And they bring a bunch of flags, they sing the national anthem. It's really great, especially during right now, where the country's going through a lot. It's great they can come together as one country inside the United States and celebrate their culture, their heritage, especially because it's being threatened right now. All that being said, this is the third year they're doing this here in Cape May, which is also very nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you what's going on here. Some people are starting to show up a little bit. A lot of people are really worried about the weather. So it really is such a beautiful day. Some stuff they have outside the band, some articles. You can see the Ukraine delegate with Lutsk. And then, of course, everything going on with the press when they first actually started doing this in 2022. The varenyky line is getting long, so my wife just texted me. She goes, "Get a line now. We need 3 orders of everything." So, getting a line to get this stuff hopefully before that storm. Cold borshch, cold cucumber soup, varenyky potatoes, varenyky beef, cane cola, chicken mini dumplings, fishka. Ooh, watermelon iced tea sounds good too.
Ага, добре, і пельменів дайте. Баночкому мені і пельменів.
Thank you for the
Varenyky here. You have cold borshch here.
Thank you.
Watermelon iced tea. Oh, look at this. This is actually one of my wife's favorites, so wait to tell her about it. It looks really good and smells really good. And you can put bacon on it, sour cream. The girls are eating their varenyky. We got potato here with onion. Ira has bacon on beef varenyky.
Yes.
Here I've got varenyky with sour cream. Varenyky, potato varenyky with bacon. Woo! And waiting for the band. Hopefully if this rain just holds out, we should be good to go. These are really, really good. I finished my potato varenyky, and now people are starting to finally show up. The band should be performing any minute now. But more and more people are coming. And man, the park is really getting busy now. A lot of people are filing in for the band and varenyky. I mean, look at the line. We were just there. It's all the way here. It's so good though. And my wife can make a killer varenyky. We do everything from chicken to potato, you name it. We do even vishny. All that being said, Velsalka stuff. I mean, that's always good. Velsalka, if you're ever in Manhattan, you need a Ukrainian restaurant. So good. They used to be 24/7. I don't think they are anymore, weirdly enough. But you can also go next door to the Ukrainian house. Also really good Ukrainian food.
Кожна мить, коли зі мною ти, і я на небі, мила моя на небі, зоремо.
So there you guys go. That is the Ukrainian celebration here in Cape May. As I mentioned before, we are making our way to Ukraine in a few weeks. You'll notice in about 2 weeks we won't be posting as much, but there'll still be videos on this YouTube channel. I'll still be uploading different stuff that I'm filming in advance for you, including I believe we're going to be staying at the Madison Resort, which is really, really cool. I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I know the wind is really picking up, and I apologize about the sound, by the way. Just did not expect for this storm to happen today. But if you guys have any questions about Ukraine, what's going on, you can always follow me on my TikTok account, which is just Joey Contino. And you can send me a message if you want to support any of the organizations that we currently support. All that being said, stay safe, and I'll always see you on the beach, which is straight that way here in Cape May. See you later. Bye.